So hello everyone. So in this session we will be trying to remember the articles related to the fundamental rights. This is part 2. Okay, please go and see part 1 if you haven't seen. In part 1 we have found a way how to memorize all of the fundamental rights. In this video we will memorize the articles related with the fundamental rights, each of them. Let us revise here. What are the fundamental rights? Right to equality, freedom against exploitation, religion, culture and education. Okay, see. So how to remember the articles? See, right to equality is from article 14 to 18, freedom is from 19 to 22, exploitation is 23 24, religion is 25 28, 25 to 28. Now this 54242 is not a part of the article. Okay, this is just a trick. I'll tell you what it is. Now to remember the articles with the fundamental rights, just remember the first one, that is right to equality. Right to equality is from where? From article 14 to 18. Right to equality is from article 14 to 18. At least the first one you have to remember. A right to equality is from 14 to 18, and this number, what is it? 54242. It is a trick. Okay, what is it? Remember the first fundamental right, that is equality, that is from 14 to 18, and the number what? 54242. What is it? 54242. Now what is this 54242? 5 is nothing but the number of articles. From 14 up to 18, if you count how many articles will there? 5, isn't it? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, from 19 to 22, how many articles will be there? 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. The same way here, okay? 22, 24, 2, then 4, 2. So what you have to remember? The fundamental right, the first one, that is what? Equality is from 14 to 18, then the number what? 54242. Okay. Now, how to apply this? Let us see. First, write the equality. What is it? Right to equality is from what? 14 to 18. Okay. First, you have to write down what? Equality is from article 14 to 18 in the examination on the rough side also. Okay, if you want to remember, you have to what? First, right to equality, that is from 14 to 18. Now what you have to do? List out all the fundamental rights. What are the fundamental rights? Equality, freedom against exploitation, religious, culture and education. This, how to remember the fundamental rights, we have done in the part 1. Okay, go and see that one. So first, what you have to do? Write equality, that is from 14 to 18. After that, write all the fundamental rights. Okay, equality, freedom, exploitation, religious, culture and education. In the next step, write the number. What number did we write? 54242, isn't it? 54242. After that, in the next step, see, 5 will be for equality, 4 will be for freedom, exploitation will be 2, religious 4, culture again 2. After that, you can find out what are the articles. See, the first one we have written, isn't it? Article equality, that's from 14 to 18. Next will be what? Freedom. So freedom will be from where? After 18 it will be 19. 19 up to where? You have to count up to 4. 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Next will be what? Exploitation. Exploitation will start from where? See, freedom is up to 22. So next will be what? 23. 23 up to where? You have to count 2, isn't it? 23, 24. Only that one. Next will be what? After 24 will be what? 25. 25 after what? You have to count 4. 25, 26, 27, 28. In the same way here also. So if you practice this their way, you will be able to remember all of the fundamental rights and all of the articles related with the fundamental rights. If a question comes, let's say, Article 26 is related to which fundamental right? 26 is from between 25 to 28, isn't it? So it will be what? Religious. Then if a question comes like this, okay, right to exploitation, sorry, right against exploitation is mentioned in which articles? So from here you can see 23 and 24. Okay, so in that way it will help you in the examination. Whenever there is a question in the examination, first what you have to do? You have to remember now 54242 and the first one. So first we have to do what? Right to equality from 14 to 18. This one you have to write down. Next we have to write all of the fundamental rights, that is what? Equality, freedom against exploitation, religious, culture and education. Next we have to write the code 54242. Next we have to find out all the articles. Okay, that is it. Thank you.